What's the meaning of chapel? Chapel. Chapel.
Chapel. Chapel. A chapel is a simple building or place of worship, usually associated with a larger religious institution, such as a church or cathedral. It is typically used for small-scale religious services, such as weddings, funerals, and prayer meetings. The word chapel has its roots in the Latin word capella, which means a small cloak. Over time, the term came to be used to describe any small, private sanctuary, whether it was housed in a dedicated building or not. Today, chapels can be found in a wide variety of settings, from hospitals and prisons to universities and military bases.